Which AI is the best and which one will help you to get the most work done? Is it ChatGPT or Google Bard? These are the two most popular AI chatbots on the market, and they are both capable of some pretty impressive things. Quick disclaimer: there are AI competitors coming out every month, and these two are developing at extremely rapid pace. So, a lot more enhancement we can expect in few short months or days, and probably will look completely different what we are having today. Let's get started with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It was released in November 2022, and it's based on OpenAI's Chat GPT language model. It's capable of carrying most of the type of conversations. Google Bard is an AI chatbot developed by Google AI. It was released in March 2023, and it is based on Google's Lambda language model. Google Bard is capable of same things as ChatGPT, and it is also able to access and process information from the real world through Google search. The major difference is that Bard can draw its responses from the internet, pulling in real-time data, which is pretty appealing. Given that ChatGPT is still convinced it's 2021. Here is an example. I'm asking question to ChatGPT. Do you know Google Bard? And it gave result. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with the tool or service. As of my knowledge, cutoff is September 2021. Asking Bard, do you know ChatGPT? And it says, yes, I'm familiar with ChatGPT, and it's an artificial intelligence chatbot. Point to note, Bard is an experimental phase. Chatting with it and rating response will help improve experience. In Bard, you will see the microphone symbol using which you can ask Bard the question, which is completely missing in ChatGPT. Let's see if the AI tools can code for us. I have a student data set and asking AI to write a code to give average of marks students scored. So AI gave the code. You have to check the code if it works. In my case, Bard did not give the correct result in the first draft. There is an integration with Google Colab in which you can export the code and run the code directly. These features are currently missing in ChatGPT. One more interesting feature I liked, it gave me 3 drafts to pick up. Whereas in ChatGPT, you have to regenerate the response to get an alternative response. Let's see if it can generate a personalized email to manager on sick leave. ChatGPT generated response in convincing and conversational style, whereas Bard created short and swift personalized response, allowing me to customize it. In this case, I would prefer to go with ChatGPT. In nutshell, ChatGPT is better at generating creative text formats, while Google Bard is better at accessing information from the real world. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.